The company gave him 50 G's in cash and a Rolls Royce. I saw it, man. Check him out on YouTube. He drive around, he's got a Rolls Royce with suicide. They open the wrong way. Hello? That's when you're living, man. Come on. We all living. We're all alive. But are we really living, right? There's a lot of walking zombies out there. Here's the guy that introduced Alfred Nixon to the business. So you know what I said, success breeds success. Iron sharpens irons. But in his testimony, he says it right here. Helping people learn personal finance is so satisfying when you watch them go from struggling. Because when you don't know what you don't know. That's what Tony Robbins says, right? When you struggle, it is a struggle, man. You're like, oh man, how do I get out of this? Another bill coming, and damn, I didn't even pay that one. And oh boy keeps calling me because I owe him some money. When you go from struggling to, you see rich people, they're always smiling. Does it seem like they work any harder than anybody else? We all got 24 hours in a day. So they're not 100 times better than me, or 1,000 times, or 1,000,000 times better than me. But they're making 1,000,000 times more. Why? Because they learned how to leverage themselves. Yes, that's what these guys are talking about. That's what this business is all about. Those are all the benefits, man. I ain't gonna go over all of them. You know why? Because here's the most important thing. You got $288, and can you see the opportunity that you share with? Some people will, some people won't. Someone's waiting. I would say, so what? That's kind of harsh. But here's what I know. Is there's some people that would die for this opportunity. I love it when people come. I met a guy, I'll finish with this. I met a guy at the conference. He's from Haiti. Haiti is the absolute poorest country. They're poorer than India. India's got a billion people there, so it's pretty poor. But Haiti's the poorest country. They're always in the top 5, if not the poorest country in the world. And in 2010, they had a big hurricane, or big earthquake, I should say, devastated Haiti. Remember, they were doing relief to Haiti and trying to help people out. Here's a kid that came from devastation. He's in his 20s. He saw this opportunity, jumped on it, got a couple of his other Haitian friends and people that he met. He was working at Walmart. This guy is a regional vice president. Go back and show you guys what that means. A regional vice president is that guy right there making $510. RVP, that means he's doing about $250,000 a month in business. Is that him selling $250,000 a month worth of credit services? No. He's able to leverage himself like J. Paul Getty, earn 1% of 100 people's efforts. Hello. I'm sharing this with you guys with some passion because I really believe that we're at that tipping point when this thing's about to explode for us. If you feel it, if you're on this call and you're just seeing this for the first time, get with the person inviting you because they're here to help you. I'm not going to, see what time it is. What time is it? Oh, I killed that. I crushed it in 48 minutes. Less than that, actually, about 42 minutes.
Money,
I usually open it up for questions. If you have a question, drop it in the chat.